Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, place the extension piece flat on a paper towel, and test one hidden strand for reaction. Sprinkle a light, even dusting of dry shampoo or talc-free baby powder onto the mid-lengths and ends. Avoid the weft. Once dusted, use a small toothbrush to gently work the powder into the fibers with short strokes. This breaks up glossy buildup. Make sure to tap off excess onto the towel so you don't overload the hair before the next step. Once the powder is worked in, switch to a wide tooth comb and gently fluff from mid-lengths to ends to distribute product and lift flat fibers. Then use a hairdryer on cool for about 10 to 20 seconds per section to help the powder absorb oils and lose shine. Keep the dryer moving. If you still see sheen, repeat short, targeted applications rather than piling on product. Multiple light passes give a more natural, matte finish and prevent white buildup. Finish by gently shaking and brushing the extensions to remove loose powder, then style as usual. Avoid heavy serums that reintroduce shine. If you notice white or chalky residue, don't panic. Wash the piece with a clarifying shampoo or use a 1 to 4 vinegar to water rinse, then condition the ends. If whitening persists, use a damp toothbrush with a tiny drop of clarifying shampoo to spot clean and rinse thoroughly. This quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.